Good day, everyone. You're welcome to my channel. I'm Kings, and today we're going to be learning digestive system in man, subject biology. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the notification icon so that you will be the first to get any educational video that comes up. All right, join me as we dive in. Today, we are going to be looking at digestive system. So firstly, we are going to be talking about the definition of digestion. Now, digestion is the breaking down of food substances for easy absorption. Or we can say that digestion is the breaking down of large molecule of food into simple and absorbable form for use by animals. Your digestive system, my digestive system, is uniquely constructed to do its job to turn your food into the nutrients and energy you need to survive. In other words, the digestive system helps us to break down food that are needed not only to survive, also for growth and also to repair dead and worn out cells in our body. Let's continue. Digestive organs. The human digestive system is, rather easy, not as complicated as you think it might be. The fact that the human system has different systems that are responsible to carry out different tasks, they also have their own specific organs that helps them to achieve these tasks. For the digestive organs, we are going to look at these organs that are responsible for digesting and breaking down of food for easy digestion. The main organs that makes up the digestive system are the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, the reticulum, and the anus. Helping them along the way are the pancreas, the gallbladder, and the liver. The digestive system is also called the alimentary tract. So, either you call it the digestive system or you call it the alimentary tract, you are still talking about the same thing. Now, let's take a look at this diagram. Now, here we have the mouth. The mouth is the place where the food passes through. You must first of all chew your food because we have teeth, and of course we have the salivary gland that is located in our mouth. The salivary gland helps to digest carbohydrates because it secretes an enzyme called enzyme thialin that immediately acts on carbohydrate food. After it has been properly chewed, it will pass through what we call the esophagus right here. It's a long pipe that helps to guide and channel the food into the stomach. And here we have the stomach. The stomach houses food in our body, where it will now move step by step into the small intestine for further processing and digestion. Then here we have the pancreas. The pancreas is responsible to produce some vital nutrients that helps to digest food. Now, after the food goes to the stomach, it moves down to the small intestine. The small intestine, of course, is ready to absorb food that are needed and to be transported all over the body. But the waste and excess food that are not needed in the body goes through the large intestine, then finally excreted through the anus. We have the liver and we have the gallbladder. Now let's take a look at some organs and their functions like I mentioned earlier. We are going to look at the gallbladder and the liver. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile from the liver and then releases it into the duodenum in the small intestine to help absorb and digest fat. This is the function of the gallbladder. Now let's take a look at the liver. The liver has many functions. But its main job, or should I say, the main function of the liver within the digestive system is to process the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. Bile from the liver secreted into the small intestine also plays an important role in digesting fats and some enzymes. I hope today's lesson has been able to educate you on the digestive system of man. If it has, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can get any new educational videos that comes from K Comica. I remain